Hi everyone, I'm here to show you N7054A, a 2021 F-350 with 79,000 kilometers on it. Let's take a look around it. As soon as you get outside, you can see how tall it is. It's got a leveling kit on it, fender flares. Got the push bar on the front. The bug deflector and window deflectors on it. 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel. Around the back, it's got the spray in box liner. Bed rails on it. Keyless entry. Let's go inside and look what's inside it. 6-seater, cloth interior. Has the trailer brake controller 4x4. Sync 3 in here. Upfitter switches. 3 seats in the back there. Bluetooth. Great unit here. 2021 with 79,000 kilometers. Come down to PineRidge Ford or www.pineridgeford.com or 306-236-1810. Talk to you soon.